Hello everyone and welcome to Think Python. Today we'll talk about unpacking. Unpacking is a very useful and powerful feature used in Python. It works like a shortcut. Let me show you how. If you want to define a tuple which is a vector, so I name it vector and it has three coordinates x, y and z. I define the value of x, y and z coordinates as 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Now if you want to use the values of these three coordinates x, y and z in a big mathematical formula which is x into y plus z, then probably you'll access the values like this. So you'll access the x coordinate by indexing. You'll add the y coordinate by the next index, and if you want to add or multiply whatever is your formula, so the z coordinate would be accessed like this, right? So this is probably you'll do to use these three coordinates x, y and z inside of a formula. Now this code looks a bit bulky to me. To make it light, probably you can store it in separate variables. So if you want to store it in separate variables, you will define the variable x to be equal to vector value at index 0. Similarly, probably you will define variable y which is vector index 1 and the z coordinate which is vector index 2. So this is what you can do to access the values of a tuple called vector. Now what if I tell you a shortcut? There's a shortcut to what I have written in these 3 lines of code, and that shortcut is known as unpacking. What you can do here is, I'll tell you. So you can straight away define the variables x, y, z and you equate it to your tuple called vector and you're done. So what this single line of code would do is exactly same as the lines of code from 3 to 5 would perform. Now here I'll tell you how this single line of code would work. Now we have a vector, a tuple called vector, which is having three coordinates as x, y and z having value 1, 2 and 3. Now when I define three variables x, y, z, then the values contained inside of this tuple vector would respectively be assigned to these three variables x, y and z here. So that in that way x would become equal to 1, x would contain value 1, y would contain 2 and 3 would contain a value equal to, 3 would go to z. And you can check it also by printing x. So if I run the code, slide it up, so we see a 1 here, right? So just by writing this one line of code, you can make a shortcut to a number of lines of code. Similarly, if you print z here and run the code, I should get a 3 at the output. Perfect. And also the unpacking is applicable to lists also. It is not only confined to tuples, we can also use this shortcut to list. So in a way, what we have done is we have basically unpacked this tuple called vector into three variables x, y and z. See how simple things are made when you're working on Python. So it's beautiful. And keep practicing on this tuple. Should you face any problem, do let me know in the comment section down. Till then, happy coding, take good care, bye bye.